are going to make a nice biscuit like. So we will see how it's going to be. It's Pongal time. So for Pongal, it's nice to make a sweet like this. So we will see how this sweet is going to be like. When you say Pongal, you know that's the Tamil New Year's first day. Now January 1st is over. Now this is going to be 14th January is the Pongal day and it's a New Year's day for Tamils. So we will celebrate this Pongal with different type of sweets and different type of things that we are going to make it. Now I am going to show you cinnamon snap biscuit. So we will see how it's going to be like. First I am going to use the flour into a bowl, but I am doing half the quantity. I am not using 125 grams, half of 125 grams of flour which I am using here. And brown sugar we need about 30 grams of brown sugar. For the full quantity I need 1 egg, but I won't use 1 egg. I will keep this and slowly I will start adding. Now we mix all this together. Flour, sugar, brown sugar we used, and we used a baking powder, cinnamon powder, cloves powder, all that we have mixed together. I am doing half the quantity. I have already done the full quantity for you. So this is going to be half the quantity now which I am doing here. And of course you know, when a preparation like this, if you do it, at least for about 15 minutes you keep it out. Cover and keep it out at least for 15 minutes before you roll it out. Okay, but I am doing it immediately. But you roll it and keep at least for 15 minutes and then you roll this. Not too thin, not too thick. Cinnamon snap, we call this. Now you can roll it again and you can use. I have used all this for you so that you can see how it comes. A sweet, it's nice to have a sweet like this. There's something different to the normal preparation, so we can always see how it comes. All this I have done it for you. Now see what I am going to do it. Now we are going to bake this for 12 minutes. If you on the cooker and oven and keep it, then it will take only 10 minutes. If I put it into the oven and then on it, 12 minutes only it takes to bake. Maybe 12 or 13 minutes even, doesn't matter. We will bake and take it and see what we are going to do after that. You can see the baked biscuits how it looks. It has a color also because we have used cinnamon and cloves in it, so it has a color and you can see how it looks. And we didn't put we didn't use vanilla essence, we didn't use any other essence, and we didn't even put even a little bit of egg also just to glaze. We don't need all that. It looks quite different. It's nice for Pongal. See what I am going to do. I am going to do a small decoration for this. Small decoration. Make the biscuits and keep it. Before you serve, you can decorate like this with a little bit of butter icing. 30 grams butter and 90 grams icing sugar, sifted icing sugar you use, and pipe this so that it looks really nice. Before serving you can have, And you know what I am going to do? Raspberry. Right? A few raspberries. I'm going to use here so that it will look nice. You can have even cherries also, but I have used the raspberries so that it will look nice. These are the things that you do, and it will be served for tea time. And I want a cup of tea also to have, so that we will serve like that, right, with all these beautiful biscuits coming in. This is served with a cup of tea. We can have ginger tea or a cinnamon tea, whatever you want, we could have it. Tea time, it could be served. Not only tea time, any time is tea time. So you could serve with these biscuits and tea together for this tea time. And you will enjoy this type of preparation. It's nice to have it any time of the day, any time of the week, and any time you like. Okay? And for this Pongal, I wish all of you a very happy Thai Pongal for all Tamils who are celebrating. And wish you all the best. Thank you so much. And this is the New Year's Day, and I hope all of you will enjoy the New Year coming. தை பிறந்தால் வழி பிறக்கும் என்று சொல்வார்கள். ஆகையினாலே தையும் பிறந்தது, வழியும் பிறந்தது, எல்லோருமே நன்றாக கொண்டாடக்கூடியதாக இருக்கும். உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.